Well, here's a little tip that I found that I never knew about, and I'm just wondering if you all knew anything about this as well. Come right down here in the left-hand corner. Press this little right-looking arrow, and you'll see all these different items here. I don't know if it's set up as default for the document size or not, but if you look, there's my document size. You can get your profile dimensions. And for the people that are having problems with your Photoshop, with it being too slow, click on that efficiency button and let that go. Sometimes when you're running plugins, or if you're doing some, have a lot of layers and things like that, you'll see this efficiency go down. If it gets down below 95, 90%, I'm told it's time to reboot your system. So I don't know if you all know about this. I've always had it on document sizes, but for some reason, I don't know. I really kind of like the efficiency. So hope you liked.